Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 8902 that Robin found today. Anyway, it's reassembled. The diode is installed. We turn the power on. Power is on, and as you see, we now have an AC locomotive. Let's take this over to the third rail. This is the Mark's Army train. All right, get the front truck on. So a Lionel 8902 converted to run on AC by installing a single diode on the motor. So let's see how this goes. As you see, that's pulling 10 tin litho cars. That's 50% power. So as you see, this is running perfectly on AC. So just by installing a single diode on the motor, you can convert these CAN DC locomotives to run on AC. Of course, the advantage is the DC locomotives, in most cases, are a third of the cost of a standard AC locomotive. And they're really limited because you cannot run them on AC. So in most cases, people won't buy them. So all you have to do is pick up a DC locomotive, pull it apart, add a diode directly to the CAN motor, and you've converted it to run on AC. As you see, this only takes a minute. That was an old scavenged diode I pulled off a circuit board. So as I said, almost any diode will work at these voltages. This is really low voltage. As you see, this locomotive is running absolutely perfectly, and it's running on straight AC. And it'll run on AC forever now. So as you see, it was worth the $12 and the 10 minutes it took to do the conversion. This locomotive is running just absolutely perfectly. So anyway, I just want to do a quick follow-up video so you can see this finished up and running. So a $12 DC locomotive converted to run on standard AC. It'll still run on DC as well. But as you see, it's running perfectly on standard AC power now, just by installing a single diode on that CAN motor. So like I said, if you find a circuit board, snag all the diodes off of it. It's worth the time and effort. They come in really handy for doing things just like this. So an old scavenged diode, soldered directly to the CAN motor, and we have an AC locomotive. $12, runs absolutely perfectly, looks nice. I don't think anyone would object to owning this. And now that it runs on AC, it's a standard locomotive. And as you see, pulling 10 tin litho cars with absolutely no problem at all. So it has plenty of power, headlight is good and bright, and it's running on AC. So a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. As always, thank you for watching.